Hi, hello, welcome to our channel. I am deciding to take the Java classes with Sketch to advanced levels. Okay, what is my intention to tell yours? The Java is most high secure nowadays, as you know also, and it easy to learn also. Why I'm taking Java classes only? It means this is user friendly and it is easy to understanding the step by step with each and every line. So that's why I'm taking Java classes. First of all, today I am discussing about how to run Java code. Okay. What I am doing now, I am checking whether the Java is installed in my system or not. Okay, how to check it means open Windows plus R cmd, type cmd, that is command prompt. Here we can type a Java. Okay, enter. Here see, there is a message. This message including with it is a Java is installed in your Python, in your system, sorry. Okay, this message is not coming, it means you didn't install it in your JDK file, that is Java development kit. Okay, finally JDK is installed. Now I want to execute first code, that is hello world code. Okay, how it means open notepad, first type the code. Okay, notepad, open, and then start writing the code. Okay, I will zoom out the code. First import the Java files, import java dot util dot star. Why star means I will explain it. Instead of star you can type array also. Okay, arrays. Instead of array you can type strings also, integers also. Okay, like that, it's including all. So what I am intention to tell you, why star, it means star is a package that includes all the existing files. Okay, now take a class. What I'm take first, right? This is first file kabatti first, sorry. Okay, open curly braces and you can write a main method. How to write it means public static void main. Okay, open parenthesis bracket. Here we can write string arguments brackets, square brackets. Why arguments means you can pass the arrays, integers, whatever. So that's why I'm keeping it empty. Enter. Now what is my aim is to print a hello world. Okay, the Java is already inbuilt in function, that is system dot out dot println. So now I can write a string, that is hello world, right? Hello world. Okay, semicolon is mandatory in Java. Okay, this close parenthesis for main method. Okay, this for class. Okay, while run the code, we can check if there any spelling errors, grammatical errors, syntax errors, check. Okay, If there is no errors, we can go file and save it with a .java. Okay, save as. I want to save in a E drive. Create a new folder, yt classes. Okay, enter, open it, and here what is Java file first, right? The class name and file name should be same, then only it will executed. Okay, keep it in mind. First dot java. Okay, here type is all files. All file means it will show with the .java. Save. Here see java and first with the same name. Okay, now it is close it, minimize it. How to run? Open. This is for little bit advanced concept. Open E drive. In the yt classes, open where I am saving it means yt classes. So there is a Java source file. So here there is a search bar, right? We can type cmd. There is shortcut form to open the cmd with direct form. Here the location with yt classes. Okay, now I am executing. How to compile Java code? It means there is a command java c means compile, java space file name .java. So we can, what is the file name? First, first .java. Now enter. It will take a little bit time while compiling. It will check errors. There is no errors, it will shine. How to run? It means java space file name. What is file name? First. Okay, now enter it. Here see hello world. Okay, successfully run and compiled. Now here one more thing. This is close mode. Exit. Here see there is a Java file, right? Source file. This will convert it to class file, that is bytecode. Okay, I think I want to show you how it is look like. I think the system is not supported to open. Okay, no problem. Within thus finally it's executed, right? This way to execute the Java program. Okay guys, please support it. Comment if you want further videos, or if you want how to download Java. Comment please. I will definitely to do a video with the Java files. Okay, how to install, that is very simple. Yeah, go to official website, that is Oracle. There is a you can see JDK file. In that JDK file you can there is a size 64-bit or something 32-bit. You can select as you want. Okay. Okay guys, thank you. Please comment it. Bye.